Off the hook. Unraveling the phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, off the hook. It's a common saying that can be quite confusing for learners, so let's explore what it really means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Off the hook literally refers to something being removed from a hook, like a coat or a telephone. From this image, we can start to understand the figurative meanings of the phrase. The phrase, off the hook, has several figurative meanings. It can mean 1. Being released from an obligation or trouble. 2. Example, you're off the hook. The boss found someone else to work this weekend. 3. Not being held responsible for something. 4. Example, the evidence proved his innocence, so he's off the hook now. 5. To describe something exceptionally good. 6. Example, that party was off the hook. To use off the hook correctly, you'll need to pay attention to the context. Let's practice with a few sentences. I thought I had to work late tonight, but I'm off the hook. The concert last night was totally off the hook. And that's a wrap on off the hook. Remember, context is key to using this phrase correctly. We hope this video has helped clarify things and that you're now off the hook for understanding this tricky piece of English slang. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.